everyone. When tan of theta equals -5/4 and also cosine of theta is positive, we're going to find the value of sine of theta and cosine of theta. So basically, when it says tan of theta is negative, but our cosine is positive, that puts us in quadrant 4. Because cosine is either in quadrant 1 or 4, because that's your x. And so basically, when you have tan of theta equals -5 divided by 4, remember this is your y divided by x, and your x is your cosine. So this would go out 4, and then your y has to be negative, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that little point there, and this is your radius. All right, something like that. This is your angle, theta, and this is a right triangle. Okay, so there's your triangle. All right, so basically we need sine of theta. Well, sine of theta is y divided by r, so that's going to be -5 divided by something. We've got to find r. And cosine of theta is x divided by r, and so that's going to be 4 divided by something. So r is always positive. So this is your r. R is always positive. Since we have a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem and say x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Same as your circle formula. Same as your Pythagorean theorem. Basically, it's the same as your distance formula. So basically, let's just square everything. We have 4 squared plus -5 squared, and this is going to equal your r squared. So we have 16 plus 25 equals r squared. So 41 equals r squared. You square root both sides. You're supposed to do plus and minus, but since r is always positive, since it's a distance, we're going to get square root of 41 equals r. So basically, let's just substitute in square root of 41. Now, usually they don't like you to leave a radical in the denominator, so let's just rationalize these. So that means you just multiply by the numerator and the denominator by square root of 41. That gets rid of the radical in the denominator, because this is just going to give you 41 in the denominator. So you have -5 square root of 41, and this one's going to be 4 square root of 41 divided by 41. So these are your two answers here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.